Alright guys, looking at the motorcycle track. Backyard motorcycle track. And we got a little bank right here. Little tiny jump. Another little jump right there. And what I need to do is move these piles of dirt. Need to move them onto the track. They're kind of up in the yard a little bit. So you have this little small pile here, and I got a couple pieces of concrete in there I got to pull out. But this right here is what I got to move. That pile. And a few more piles right there. So that's what I got. And I need to move it back, I'd say past that tree to give you a general idea. Gonna put a little bit over there on that side past that tree. Maybe put a small amount right in that area. All right.